Audio Jungle.
The 2024 Volvo V60 T8 EAWD Polestar Engineered is a vehicle that requires quite a lot of explanation. Breaking apart its ridiculously long name helps. Volvo, V60 means the small wagon, T8 EAWD because it's the plug-in hybrid powertrain with electric all-wheel drive, and Polestar Engineered because it's surprisingly fast. In keeping with Volvo tradition, this car is completely unthreatening when parked next to an overly aggressive BMW M or Mercedes AMG. It might as well be wearing a cardigan. But it's a beast! Thus, the V60 Polestar Engineered is rapid without being tiring, agile without a jouncy ride, and so pleasant to drive in most environments that you tend to forget it's perfectly capable of unleashing Ragnarok on the tarmac. It's not clear how much longer the Volvo Wagon will hang on in a world of luxury crossovers, but for someone shopping for a practical daily driver absolutely crammed full of Vikings, the 2024 V60 might just be the best fast Swedish wagon yet. Volvo designs some great interiors, and the V60's cabin is similar to the posh environs in the S60 sedan and the XC60 SUV. The wagon's cabin is spacious, the seats are comfortable, and the design is undeniably upscale. But Volvo's minimalist approach means that many controls are hidden away inside the infotainment screen. Nice materials such as metal trim, real wood, and soft leather make the interior look and feel more expensive than it is. Cargo capacity is great, too, something we expect from a station wagon. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave me a comment to tell me how you found the car.